Alright, and in this episode we are going to be testing out this turtle wax headlight restoration on both of my faded Nissan Xterra headlights. So let's jump into it. So to apply the turtle wax headlight lens restoration kit, it's 4 easy steps. You get a headlight repair and renew compound, which you'll rub with a towel or cloth on the headlight. Then you'll take a wet sandpaper supplied and just buff around wherever it's damaged. It'll have 2 sides, 2 different grits of sandpaper. Then you go back with that repair and renew compound, rub it around. You can do it multiple times for 30 seconds each. And then you have an acrylic that'll you wipe across. They supply a rubber glove to wipe it down so it does not affect your skin. And then it'll cure, or it'll dry for 3 to 5 minutes and then cure within 24 hours. So let's jump into it and let's get started. Before you start using the Turtle Wax Headlight Lens Restorer Kit, you want to first clean the headlights to remove any dirt and grime that may be on the headlight lens. The first step is to apply the headlight lens repair and renew compound using a towel or a small cloth, and once completed, to buff the area with a dry portion of the cloth. The second step is the sanding step. You're going to use some tap water and the supplied sandpaper, and on side number 1 of the sandpaper, go in horizontal movements of sanding the headlight, and then you will eventually flip over to side number 2, and then you will go in a vertical direction of sanding the headlight. Once completed, you will dry the headlight lens. The third step is the same as the first step, applying the repair and renew compound using a portion of your cloth or towel, and then using the dry, clean portion of your towel or cloth to buff it out. You will want to apply steps 1, 2, and 3 to both headlights before doing step 4. Step 4 is the ceramic acrylic wipe, and using the enclosed glove, you will use that wipe to evenly go across the headlights and let it dry for about 3 to 5 minutes, and it will then fully cure within 24 hours. And after doing that and letting it dry, you will be able to use the car immediately and not have to worry about it being damaged or anything. You will also want to use some masking tape or towel like I did to protect your paint so that the ceramic acrylic wipe that you're using does not cause any damage to it, as it adds a protective layer to the front of your headlight. Here is the before and after of my headlights and fog lights, and as you can see, the Turtle Wax Headlight Lens Restorer has significantly reduced the cloudiness in the headlights. Well, there you go. The Turtle Wax Headlight Restoration Kit is a success. It's much clearer. I also applied it to my fog lights, and it was a simple 4-step process. Just apply the compound, sand it down with a little water, reapply the compound, add the acrylic coating, and voila. Perfectly almost new headlights. If you found the video helpful, consider liking it. Follow me for more of repairs and modifications I make to my Nissan Xterra, and I will see you in the next one. I'm not sponsored by Turtle Wax or anybody. I just found this product at Walmart for about $8, purchased it, and am testing it out. And here is my review of it, and I am very satisfied with the results. And if over time doesn't work again, I still have plenty of the compound to reapply. I hope you found the video helpful.